Hi, I'm Gene Liu, and I'm an otolaryngologist, head and neck surgeon, or ear, nose, and throat doctor in Los Angeles. And one of the most common things that we have to tell people about is how to use a nose spray. Today I wanted to put together a quick little video to show you how it's done. The first step when you're using any nose spray is to make sure that your nose is as clear as possible. If it's filled with snot or mucus and you squirt the spray in, the medication doesn't hit the lining of your nose and won't do much. If it just hits a bunch of snot, it's not going to be very helpful. So before you use a nose spray, you want to blow your nose, you want to try to clear it. If you need to use a little saline or salt water, humidification, or anything to loosen up the mucus, that's fine. But the more clear your nose is before the medication goes in, the more effective it's going to be. Once you're using the nose spray, any bottle is going to work best straight up and down. The more you tilt it, the more you angle it, the less effective it's going to be. The nose is a tunnel that goes virtually straight back. We're not aiming up at the brain. So that's another misconception that we see a lot. So when you're using the spray, it by far works best when the two are lined up, meaning you're usually going to lean your head forward to get the spray in the right direction. The other thing that we want to avoid is hitting the septum, or the wall in the middle of the nose. If you spray the septum a lot, it does dramatically increase the risk of nosebleeds over time. It can be very dry and irritating to that lining. To avoid hitting the septum a lot over and over again, you're generally going to angle the medication away from the septum. So you're kind of shooting up toward the eyeball on each side. So when you lean forward, you're turning just slightly, aiming at the eyeball on the same side of the head that you're spraying. For most adult noses, it's okay to occlude or block the other side as you're doing this, and when you spray, you do a light little sniff just to help it get in. If you do a big massive snort, it's going to go right through your nose and end up in your throat, which isn't where you want the medication, and it's going to taste bad. Small children, it may be a little tough to do everything I've mentioned. Generally, if you've suctioned their nose, you've squirted in some saline, they're already going to be a little bit combative. Do the best you can. You're going to be chasing them around. If the bottle's a little up and down, if the head isn't quite right, that's okay. And you're certainly never going to be able to block one side and do a little sniff. In small kids with small noses, that's not even necessary. The spray or the spritz from the bottle itself will get all the way through their nose. So basically, in kids, you're just going to do a point and shoot and do the best you can. At the end of the day, using a nose spray sounds very simple, but doing it with the techniques and the methods that I've described are going to make it more impactful or more effective in the long run. I hope this little video helped. If you have any additional questions, please leave it in the comments below.